This video will show you the unboxing of the Fanvil X210 IP phone, a high-quality, feature-rich, high-end enterprise IP phone. What's in the box? Let's unbox this brand new X210 IP phone and have a quick look inside. It comes with the telephone itself, a network cable, a handset cord, a handset, and a foot stand. Connecting the foot stand. There are two foot stand positions. One side of the foot panel is for a 50-degree installation, and the other side is for a 40-degree installation. Install as desired. To install, turn the IP phone over and mount the foot stand here. Remember, you can also turn the foot panel around to the other side for a different installation degree. Connecting the handset. To connect the handset, take the short end of the curly handset cord and carefully and snugly insert it into the handset port. Next, turn the phone over and find the port with the handset icon next to it. The X210 doesn't come with a power supply. Instead, the phone uses PoE, Power over Ethernet. There is a port for you to connect an optional power supply, but in this video, we only use PoE. Simply connect one end of your Ethernet cable into the PoE switch and connect the other end into the slot with the internet icon. Congratulations, your X210 IP phone is ready. Let's have a look at the X210 IP phone. This is the 4.3-inch main color display, and here are the two 3.5-inch side color displays. Up to 106 DSS keys are available to provide convenient functions such as dynamic BLF, speed dial, and much more. Switch between up to 3 pages using these buttons. In addition, the X210 supports HD audio on both the speakerphone and the handset, all with newly added Opus support. Now let's have a look at the back of the X210 IP phone. It has a power interface, a network connection port, and a network port that allows you to connect to your PC. Both network ports support Gigabit Ethernet. There's also an RJ9 port to connect a headset, and of course, a port for the handset. On the side, there is a USB interface to connect a USB dongle for Wi-Fi connectivity. You can also plug in a USB flash drive for call recording and upgrading firmware. And the X210 has built-in Bluetooth. Our sales and technical teams are ready to answer your questions